Well, then we are leaving.
Force it.
We are out of here then.
I'm about to put a tannerite right under your fucking foot pegs and fire.
That looks pretty
You know,
level.
my son?
Yeah, they met.
Some of my best sperm right there. Thank you. My new helmet. Evil fucking Knievel. I ordered a cape, it just wasn't in yet. There it is. Fucking look at those gloves. Gotta take a piss. Woo! That was a fucking hoot. And that was that.
You know we can't go to any hospitals.
We're gonna put you in the river and just push you down if you die. We'll burn your body as it goes down though, it's all right. We got cardboard, we'll wrap you in the cardboard.
Brent's gonna hit this jump.
You know? Living the dream in quarantine.
It's like you got the hat.
Yeah.
I like to take it slowly and let it run down.
Hola.
Hola. Hola.
Oh God, my nipples just got hard.
Hi, baby.
Do you mind?
Hi.
It's supposed to be about me. Here, I'll be like the dog.
There you go.
For the horns. Go ahead.
Orale!
Now, I'm not worried about him coming to my house and looting. I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Get up close to it? Yeah, all right. Catch and release. That's a nice one. Beautiful. Got a jumper. They're getting bigger. Okay, here comes the instructor with a beer in his hand, so nothing can go wrong. No, what could go wrong?
So you know what?
We went up that way last time. You want to go to the top up there? Go ahead, lead the way. The little round dot here, don't put your hand, take your hand off the trigger. You're aiming through here, right at the nose, and you aim right at that orange thing. And when you squeeze the trigger, take a breath before and hold it. I know, it's scary. Living the dream in quarantine. You hit it. Do you know what you're doing, or do you want instruction?
Oh, same spot.
Same spot exactly. Kind of hold it there, take a breath in, and before you breathe out, shoot. Okay, that was right at the bait, right where Weston was.
Glad somebody can shoot it.
champions. Your bike is insane. That fucker's insane. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed any of this, subscribe. Peace and love.